Hello guys, welcome back to another session. Okay, and okay, I was not able to do the live sessions for the last one day, I guess. I hope our consist doesn't break. Right now we are at 10,410. Okay, so $4.1 of 4.1% of the profit. Okay, talk in the name of percentage rather than in the name of money. Okay, so let me just reload my layout. Every time we have to do this, we have to load the layout. Okay, done. Day 22 GPUSD. As soon as we have the chart in front of us, we'll go to the 1 day time frame. Now I feel like there's the draw on liquidity is this thing and also on this thing. Okay, these are my buy stops for it. So this is my draw on liquidity. The market is going to go up. See, the reason why we're not being right, okay, like why we were not being right is because the market was bullish and we were expecting it to go down every time, and that is the reason we are not right. Means if we have good daily buys, then we can actually have good amount of trades. Then let's see if we could do something over here. So this is the rejection. There's also a rejection. It reverses this is a fair value gap, right? We draw this fair value gap over at this time frame, right? My daily bias is bullish. Okay, and let's go on to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, we can just see like this BTT run. A kind of low support liquidity. Could call this low support liquidity. Let me delete this equilibrium line. Should I delete this equilibrium line? Equilibrium line is here. We'll always use this equilibrium line for the recent price swing. This is 4-hour. Now am I bullish on the 4-hour? Form of bias on the 4-hour. This buy side liquidity is taken. Let's take it. Okay, let's forget about this. Buy sides are taken. Okay, and let me extend this buy side point. Correct. Now it should come back or not. This fair value gap is inverted. Okay, we are on a 4-hour time frame. I think this fair value gap is of 1-hour time frame. Go on 1 hour, bullish or bearish. At least the price should take out some kind of low so that I expect it for a rally upwards. Okay, at least any kind of rally I want. Take any kind of sell side liquidity so that it can go higher, right? Yeah. Okay, let's go on a 1-hour time frame. Let's see what kind of fair value gap is this thing. This is the fair value gap. Okay, and the price price level exactly bounce back from this point. I personally feel, is it going to take out these buy side liquidities or not? This is the recent sell stops are here. Okay, there's something that can happen in here. Fair value gap. Let me delete buy stops. Control Z here. Now there's a okay. There's a 1-hour time frame. On a 1-hour time frame, I can see a clear fair value gap. This high. Got it. Here's a fair value gap. Okay, it's going to take out this, I think this low, I guess, and this low be taken out, and this is the fair value gap. I hope the price swing is also in the 50% equilibrium at that point. Let me just see if I do a swing from this point to this point. The 0.5 is lying. 0.5 is lying below this low in the fair value gap. Okay, and also it's taking out this recent low. Got it. Now if I take the swing point as this thing, okay, the recent swing has been this point, then the price should just bounce back from the higher side of the fair value gap. But if it takes out this small sell side liquidity, it will be better for me to take a buy side trade, because there's a buy side liquidity over here as well. Okay, fine. Buy side liquidity. Buy stops here. Let me just put on some sell stops. Do we have? So we're getting the equilibrium line somewhere around at this point below this thing. Okay, we consider this whole price swing high. Okay, uh, it should reach to the equilibrium. Has to be done. It's also near to the buy stop. Is more. At least it should take out this liquidity because of the momentum that it is coming down with. Great moment. Okay. So wanted to do this. Go back like something like this, or it can stretch beyond this low as well. Okay, but this low is actually a run on liquidity for this low. Okay, so this low is itself a run on liquidity for some other low. So less chances are that the price will come out for this low. Come out for this low. Got it? Okay. Less chances, but we'll see. Okay, we'll see if any kind of entry is being formed over here. Then we can anticipate a buy stops to be run on. Okay. Let's see if our trade was in profit. Okay, last time it was on loss, so we'll be back to that again $10 loss. Okay, we are not going to go beyond it. And okay, bullish in the 4-hour time frame as well. Yes, bullish. This go back to this fair value gap. Let's see. I have to look for bullish entries because my daily bias is. It's actually broke down. I could got that sell side liquidity. Didn't take out this sell side liquidity. What is the time right now? 19:45. It's 7:45. Ready for the end. That is the reason I don't put exact lows. Okay, if I put exact low just for this, just because of this 10% target, I would have been like wandering around. It has done a raid. Now I will wait for a market structure shift. Okay, or let the price gyrate. 15 minutes. These are two equal highs that are broken, but these are 1, 2, 3. Those equal lows are there, and high chances that those lows will be taken, so I don't think I should put my entry, because supposedly it will go beyond these levels. That's what I anticipate. It will go down because it's forming clear lows. That is the reason. Okay, it means it will take out this low as well. Good chances that it will take out that low. Okay. Okay. So the price is doing a variation between this fair value gap. So it means it is picking up orders, making the people think, okay, to put out their entries, right? So what I will do, yeah, the market is actually gyrating between fair value gap. It is making the people to take the decision of the buy and the sell. It is accumulating right now. We'll do manipulation and I will take the trade in the direction of distribution. Okay. It's not a clear market structure break, right? Up and then down. I don't see any good. Nor there is any like raid on liquidity, right? So the equilibrium price has been reached. If it goes below to take this sell side liquidity, then I can like form my good entries, right? The sell side entries already taken, sell side liquidity has been taken. It's trying to form the entry, making the market is fall. Oh, Friday, Saturday. So okay, Saturday. I think it's going to be the new week. For the new week, I am going to be bullish, and I will expect the market to first take out this sell side liquidity, then go for the liquidity above it. Day 9 a.m. Take out this sell side liquidity. Good. Is this time right now? Okay. 6 p.m. around. Let's take this sell side liquidity has been taken. Now for sure, price is watching this swing high, I guess, right? Because watching according to this, where around this point it should start taking a reversal. Wait for a market structure shift and then see what we. Can't see any placement. Price went. Value gap. No, I've get my stuff. Okay. Put my. One minute. I'm in a time frame. This fair value gap. But anyways, it. Identify model. Second to the gap. Take down. Keep doing $10 risk every. Know what we are doing. What the hell, yeah? Why it didn't give me any entry? Okay. Market structure shift was here, and I was only moment when I predict it. Okay, I miss it because I don't see the market structure shift was here. and this momentum was upwards. Here's a fair value gap that is created, and there would have been a very nice entry. Okay, we could have just taken off. That's it. But let's look for buy entries as much as we can. This week is going to be bullish. Okay, things are happening as I want, but I'm not able to form entries like good entries. Quickly, this low got taken out. Price rallied. See, the only entry I wanted is right now over here. Okay, and I lost a very good entry. What is this? I was at profit. Let's wait. Is this? There is buy side liquidity as well, right? It reached the equilibrium somewhere around this point. It should start, going down. Back and get somewhere in this fair value gap. Okay, this is where the equilibrium is residing. Okay, and I want the price to come to have an equilibrium line. Always have a equilibrium. This could be the point where it can take come back and just take an entry from there. Equilibrium point is also there. Then it can take off. Okay, let's wait for this down. Reaching this fair time right now. Somewhere around 12, it started to fall down. Then it started to swing back again. Did I identify a wrong swing? Did I identify a wrong swing? If what's wrong with it? If I take this entry from here to as it is a I anticipated what I wanted. I anticipated these lows are going to taken. This is taken, then obviously it will reach for this point because of this higher downside swing equilibrium point. Everything is going as I want it, but thing is that the thing is that I'm not able to form entries. You guys know something? How can I like get my entries right? Okay, try to comment it. Although nobody is watching, I don't care. But yo, somebody is going to watch this recording someday. I get a if I become a successful trader. Okay, that is what is happening with me right now on the real trades as well. Okay, I'm not telling you to take a real trade. Okay, but this is exactly what is happening in the real. I predict the movement. I predict how it is going to go. Then it just goes beyond and then goes back to the same point. Yeah, on the 12, somewhere around 12, it started going downwards, right? Let's see if there is any kind of price entry that we can form in here. Minute. It doesn't form an entry. I don't have any problem. Kept going downward. Okay, up, down, up. This is a high that has been broken. Okay. Before the high that got broken, there's a fair value gap. We could have entered this point and then boom. Problem. Okay. Wait for the buyer stop. At least wait for this equilibrium to be. Okay. There's a fair value gap. It broke the fair value gap, took the resistance from this fair value gap, and then it is again going to go rally. At least I'm able to explain the trades. Just forming equal highs. Got it. The day for the day. Wednesday, 1 February. Okay, one thing is that we completed around 1 month of backtesting in 4.5 hours. It means if I want to backtest around 2 hours of the day. Okay, let's have my calculator. Okay. So if we have done this 4.5, right? Yeah, 26 minutes are there. The 4.5 hours for 1 month, and for a year it will take us 54 hours, and if or 54 days if you are doing it 1 hour every day, or maybe like 27 or 1 month for a 2 years data. Okay, so if you want to backtest 2 years of data, it will take you around 27 days or 28 days. At least I can calculate. Think about this. The time right now is what? 22:25. There will be no movement because now the Asian session is going to start. See, this is Indian Standard Time, UTC plus 5:30. Okay. Wait. What's the time right now? Well, obviously I want stops, bring up high, equilibrium. But this is around what is the time right now? 10:30. Okay. Let's see. I want this sell side liquidity to be taken. I think there is some FOMC right here, no, now over here because it's somewhere around 12 a.m. Sorry, 12 a.m. for Indian Standard Time. Okay, and some FOMC data must have come. That's why there is a lot of gyration for this. It went down, went up, then again went down, then again went up. Okay, the sell side liquidity. Let's see if it shows me any kind of what you call on a 1 minute time frame. Go down the speed. Button doesn't work. The time right now 10:47 to 5. Just a second, guys. Okay, we are back again. So I think 25 10:47, right? So it's what? 15 2:47 or what? First load my that I. The only thing that is irritating me is always this site is not taking orders and something. Okay, and when I refresh, I have to go back the data again. Alright, I have to be yes. Buy stops. Okay, the buy stops are not taken yet. 1 minute time frame. So this is the market maker. What? Market sell model. Oh, okay, wait. The price reached to the equilibrium, and at this point, okay, I can take this. Okay, there's a price swing high. This market sector shift is there. The price could reach back to the fair value gaps. Okay, this is one fair value gap is this point. Okay. Oh, there's a market shift in here as well. Okay, so market shift. Okay, what's the time right now? It's 3:50. Obviously, I won't be able to take this trade. I need to, for this, but yeah, there is a fair value gap that has been formed. Got it? Now, what can I do? What can is this low going to be taken? Let me just mark this low. Okay, let's wait for the price to somewhere around it's 10:40 to 11 a.m. I want 12 start doing sessions. Started to go up. Practice is really I'm able to observe something at very fast pace. What is the M child? Buy sell liquidities are yet to be. Oh wait, this is sell liquidity. The drawn liquidity is this point, right? The clean lows have been created. Definitely, the price is going to take out these lows. We'll wait for the price to take out these lows. Or is it going to take it out a little later? Point 0.5 equilibrium has been reached. Fair value gap as well. The time right now is 15:08. Equal lows been created. There's a sell side liquidity. Okay, this is 1 minute time frame. We will wait for any fair value gap. Okay, there's a placement of words. Now the fair value gap has been created. Okay, so there's a market shift. Fair value gap. My fair value gap here. Okay, got it. And next time it really went high, so obviously it is going to be taken in. I'll put my long entry. Okay, I take this. Buy limit current balance. Paste it. Ah, it is trying to reach. Okay, here there are equal lows as well. Going to reach for those equal lows. Market wants to move higher, it will. Okay, I lost $10 on in here. Wait for the market to take around 16 15 is like 415. Okay, wait for it to take. Here Amazon Bank 3 items from your order is out for delivery. I got my gas. There's a high price movement at what? At 7:30 is 17:30. It's like 5:30. Okay, 5:30 is the time when the New York session starts. Okay, has it taken? Okay, no, so said liquidity has not been taken yet. You can see the line. Okay, break. Is there any fair value calculated? No, I don't think so. Like, 45. It's going. This buy side liquidities. If these buy side liquidities get taken, then I'll just try to form. So here's a fair value gap. Okay, first of all, this is the fair value gap which is downward. Now this fair value gap has been inversed by this sudden displacement of the price. Okay, market success shift has happened. It again. I'll understand the market soon, but till now let's keep losing small amounts to acknowledge. I should form my entries in here as well, somewhere like around. This is a good point for an entry. A long entry. over here at this point. Keep the stop loss at this point. Reject this the down price swing here. 0.5% is level somewhere over at this point. I can anticipate this low had to be taken as well. I can form an entry. Buy limit. So there's an entry that I have made. Time right now 8:50. Hey, I'm not take the daily biases. Daily time equilibrium. Price swing back to equilibrium. Fair value gap. Anyway, I'll look at the reverse. Downward swing. retracement level, it has to near to this point. This is level. So if it's a 62% retracement level, we can form an NOT, reach back to equilibrium, the fair value gap, then we can anticipate entry. Let's not lose hope. Five minutes. Downwards. There's a market shift. We can. Here's the market stop, fair value gap. If there's a fair value gap, is it time of the day or not? The price swing downwards on upwards. Let's see if it comes back to fair value gap or entry. Hit by current balance 10%. Get stop. Let it. How many trades am I doing wrong today? Still not. Price is not. I could see. Couldn't. I'm betting devices, I think. Oh, sir. We're going to talk about these. Oof. quick. Okay, will you that's why I'm too much. I can't bear it. Okay. Ah, we lost 3 times in. Oh, sorry. I guess. Why did we take this? Okay. We lost 3 times in a row and made more the money than we did uh, in the one time. Okay. It was like around 1 is to 8. 1 is to 8 risk to reward ratio target. We did it. Like I have to choose between good win rate or high risk rewards. The high risk rewards, I'll say it's good for me. I don't mind, losing $5, $5, $5, $10 to gain all those things at once. Okay. I have to analyze for today's market as well. Make sure you guys, keep analyzing today's market. Keep on backtesting. Let's just see today's market, Euro USD. I have to analyze it as well. Okay. Yeah, I'm exhausted, but yeah, I did one win, 22 and 22 USD. And it could have even gone beyond it, but let me just see how the time frame is. Like, okay, 15 minutes. So because there is let's say liquidity as in here, and there's a if we get the daily bias, what is the entry? 8.57. Okay, so it a 1 is to 8 risk to reward ratio, and we did it. See how happy. Okay, if I want to form one more entry, okay, for a $15 loss, then I could form it in between here, okay, because the sell sides are taken. This is time. What's the time right now? It's 13:30. The price should come back, okay, because the kill zone will not remain that much, okay, and then I can anticipate an entry back to this fair value gap or something like this. Let's take a entry, okay, before we go. Should I end it here? If it's ending the day in win, I don't want to do it. Okay, let's okay. So we are ending our day on 6 Febs 13:30. Around I think we did somewhere like 10, I think 7 or 8 days of backtesting the data, and we'll come back on the another day. Okay, I'll have to get back to my consistency. Okay, that is the reason I have been online on this like live streaming on this YouTube. Okay, let's end this thing with the disclaimer. Tata, bye bye, have a nice day. Keep backtesting.